What's up, people? Cassie here from Passive Passion Online Income, coming to you from Washington, D.C. Yes, just arrived today at Washington, D.C. As you guys may have watched a previous video of mine, which I shot at the Dubai Airport business class launch, explaining the reasons why I'll be, being in Washington, what my plans are, what my programs are. So I'm sure you guys by now would be knowing what the overall importance is for this particular trip. Anyways, in today's video, I actually wanted to talk to you guys about the topic of sales and marketing. All right, because lately, while teaching my new students for the affiliate marketing mentorship program, all right, there were lots of questions that were being raised, some that made sense, some that did not make sense. Because end of the day, no matter what business it is, if you ain't making sales, if you ain't putting out your product, if you ain't pitching your stuff, you ain't gonna be making money. Period. You don't need a rocket scientist to come and explain that to you, right? So one important question that was asked to me by one of my mentees was, now this is a person who's very shy to speak in front of the camera, who's very shy to go and, present something out to a crowd or to an audience, and he just wanted to stay low. So his question to me was, is it really necessary that I need to go out and sell myself or sell my product? I was like, well, if you have the intention of building your own personal brand, then definitely you have to go out and sell yourself. Because some of my friends, they're like, man, why do you have to do this YouTube channel? Why are you wasting your time? I'm like, fuck them, man, fuck them. Are they gonna come and pay your bills? Are these so-called friends gonna come and pay your bills? You tell me. Are these so-called naysayers gonna come and pay your bills? No, right? So don't be a people pleaser. Stop being a people pleaser. Focus on your own business. Focus on your own goals. Get things done. If this is how you are going to be thinking and operating, you ain't going to be finding success in no matter what business it is. Maybe you may have got lucky, by starting a certain business and making money out of it. But if you really want to go to the next level, where you really want to market yourself, market your product, market your brand, then you have to push yourself, my friend. You gotta get your ass off the couch. You gotta keep working. You gotta keep hustling. You gotta keep going and making and cracking deals left and right. Just like in my today's trip, although I didn't close it the way I did last time on my trip from Dubai to Miami, where I got a client for $40,000, but at least it was good that I met a bunch of interesting people, to whom I was able to introduce my program, my course, thereby. After sending a picture to one of my friend was like, man, no matter where you go, you just get into closing deals. I'm like, yeah, now it's in my bloodstream. I really can't do anything about it. Well, having said that, guys, see, the important thing to understand is whatever it is that you want to do, you got to be passionate about it. You got to be passionate about your stuff. For me, I love teaching people, I love coaching people, I love mentoring people. So marketing myself, okay, and at the same time my products or my brand becomes part and parcel of the game. All right, it's all pretty much correlated and coexistent. So I have to do it. I'm not saying that suppose if I stop marketing or promoting my brand or my stuff, I'm gonna be on the streets. Absolutely not, because I've today built enough assets. I have established companies that can take care of my lifestyle expenses. Just assume or just imagine if I'm just gonna wake up and not do anything, read my newspaper, have my breakfast, check my sales on the laptop, see how my business and stuff are functioning. What fun is it, right? What fun is it? There ain't gonna be any fun. I'm a kind of person, I like challenges. I want to do something new. I want to do something creative. I want to do something productive, so that I bring out something new in the market. I provide value to people. I make things happen, make things done. That's the whole purpose, of living. Otherwise, if you're gonna just be a lazy bum, just watch TV all day and keep faffing and farting, it ain't gonna give you that momentum which is required to keep moving forward in today's competitive world. So remember this: no matter what it is that you want to do, learn how to sell yourself, learn how to sell your brand. Because if you look at any profession, talk about doctors, lawyers, engineers, carpenters, people have to sell themselves. And if someone does not know how to sell themselves, mark my words, in the next coming recession, that's gonna be your doomsday. Yeah. So you better start sharpening and honing those skills, all right, which will polish your sales and marketing skills. If you do want to get started, if you do want to take my coaching and mentoring program related to sales and marketing, then I've put the link below to my affiliate marketing and personal branding mentorship program. You can go check it out. If you're interested, contact me, get enrolled, so that I can teach you those crucial, important tips and tricks to crack highly profitable business deals. But here's something which I need to tell you. If you really want to take my training, you have to be prepared to accept challenges. This ain't some get-rich-quick scheme, okay? This ain't some easy scheme where you expect miracles to happen right from the very next day. No, it's a process which is going to take a little bit of time. You set it up and then you start seeing the results coming in. You will have to push yourself, okay, out of the comfort zone. You will have to get things done. You'll have to do a little bit of presentations here and there. You will have to network with people. You will have to initiate conversations. You'll have to it's basically how to put yourself out there, how to promote yourself. That's the bottom line of the whole program and training. So if you're a shy person, you're a person who gets easily jittery or nervous or anxious, to approach people or to talk to people, to prepare short videos, okay, and put it out in front of the world, then this ain't for you. Sorry, but this ain't for you. This is for people who really want to push things hard, who are aggressive hustlers, who are aggressive sellers, who are aggressive marketers, who can get things done. All right. And more importantly, it's not just about going out there and cold calling, making those cold calling deals. The whole program is predominantly about teaching you effective sales funnel, of building strong, tangible followers. Once you build strong, tangible followers, it builds their curiosity. Once the curiosity is built, it builds their interest. Once the interest is built, it builds their desire. And ultimately, it brings them to the point of making sales and conversions takes place. So that's how the whole process works, guys. So sales and marketing, you want to get started, you want to go to the next level, let me know. I'll get you on board and start honing your skills. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll be coming with more videos soon from Washington DC. We'll be shooting some videos outside, but it's freakingly cold, guys, outside. Oh boy. When I was waiting for the chauffeur who had come to pick me up, I was freezing. In spite of wearing some cardigans, I should have actually bought those windbreaker jackets. That would have been more helpful. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna go out and do some shopping, buy some really thick and comfy jackets, which will be necessary for this unfriendly weather. All right, you guys take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.